Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Faizatu binti Fazil, metric number 275002. I will present about problem statement and the solution of our product is a washer dryer. Okay, in today's modern life, especially in a big city like Kuala Lumpur, Johor Bahru, Georgetown, Penang, where people have no other choice but to buy and stay in high-rise apartment, flats and even condominium kind of properties or houses. Although these houses are most located within city center, the build-up floor is small so that they are sealable. On one of the main issues faced by residents is having a very limited space to dry wash their clothes. Most of the residents end up using self-service laundry services for them to dry clothes, which relatively costly in a long run. On average, they went to self-service laundry to dry their wash clothes about once or twice a week. Not only they have to bear for a drying cost, but also have to pay for the travelling cost, including the travelling time. As we know, Malaysia gets plenty of rains throughout the year, especially during monsoon season, where less sunlight is expected. On top of the limited space available for drying, lack of sunlight during wet day directly adding more to the drying washers clothes issue. Hence, residents will go and use self-service laundry more often and more money and time shall be spent. We have the opinion that this problem is worth to look at and should be closely analysed for us to propose a workable solution to it. Okay, after delivering the problem among team members, to overcome the problem as stated in para 1.0 above, we propose the residents to buy a washing machines that come together with dryer. Since this 2-in-1 washing machine and dryer will not take extra floor space since it comes in one piece where the dryer is at the top of the washer. Normal washing can be done as usual in the washer compartment and later transfer the wash clothes, sheets, curtains and so on to the dryer compartment at the top to get them dry. With this idea, residents will not face any issue of space or rainy season to do their laundry and drying clothes. Furthermore, with this 2-in-1 washer dryer, less time wasted and less travelling costs incurred. We have made some survey of the 2-in-1 washer dryer machine that are currently available in the market. The price range for the normal family usage unit is around Rm2000 to 2500, which is a little bit higher than the normal washing machine. But in the long run, it's worth paying for the extra. The price of 2000 to 2500 per unit is still affordable and relatively not too burdensome since many outlets or shops now offer customers to monthly installments purchasing them with their store. What differs may be the model and brand of the 2-in-1 washer dryer machine, part of the maximum loading capacity of the unit. Higher capacity comes with higher price. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Zuhair Azhari, metric number 275225, and I will talk about the description of the product. A washer dryer is a machine that can wash and dry clothes in one process. In Malaysia, there are several companies that produce washer dryer machines using the latest technology on the market and have become people's choice, such as Toshiba, LG, Elba, Hisense, and Electrolux. Number one is Toshiba washer dryer, even the front load washing machine TWD BG120M4M. This Toshiba product is the best washer dryer model on the market. Toshiba product has a variety of convenience functions, washing features and drying process that will not damage quality fabric. Washer dryer model TWD BJ120M4M use the grade with washing technology. This technology is able to preserve the color of clothes and save water, while the drying process of this model uses the Sble system, which is a smart system that can detect the temperature of the clothes. For example, when the clothes are dry, the washer dryer will stop the process automatically. This helps prevent clothes from being easily damaged by excessive drying and at the same time can save time and electricity consumptions. Second is LG washer dryer LG FB145H2B. This washer dryer model is produced by the LG company. It uses the latest technology known as AI Direct Drive. AI Direct Drive technology is able to detect load weight fabric type and select the appropriate washing process, while the drying process of this model uses the Steam Plus system, which is able to dry clothes well while removing 99.9% of elegance from clothes through steam mode. This model is a choice of many people because of the function found in it, called wrinkle care, which can reduce wrinkle on clothes and save time washing clothes. This model can control the cycle of machine through LG latest application called ThinQ if connected to the Wi-Fi. For this model, LG also uses eco-hybrid technology, which can save on electricity bills. Number 3 is Elba 2-in-1 washer dryer. This model is product of Elba company and the washing capacity is 10 kg for washing and 6 kg for drying. This model has features such as automatic water control, auto restart, overflow safety, overheating control, and the child safety lock. The child lock function is the best safety function and can prevent any bad risk from happening. Furthermore, this washer dryer has a 44-liter volume pump, an inverter motor, and LED display to make setting adjustment easier.
Product analysis. The best washer dryer has a higher price than a normal washing machine, but with the purchase of the LG brand, it is not a loss, comparable to the offered price around 3,000 and above. Although quite expensive, but it is suitable for the cost spent and also equipped with the latest technology by LG. Several factors for choosing the best washer dryer by LG are size. In our opinion, this brand has a height of 850 mm, a length 600 mm, with a width of 565 mm, which is very suitable to be placed in a large space or a relatively limited place. For those who have limited space problem, it is worth it. AI Direct Drive. There is no linking system such as gearing or a motion transducer between the electric drive motor, which supplies and transforms the energy, and the so-called driven machine, which absorbs the transformed energy. has a detector. This model has technology that can detect the weight of the load of clothes, the type of fabric, and can choose the appropriate washing process. Clothes drying is done by steam, which dries clothes well, while removing 99.9% of allergens from clothes through steam mode. It is very good to wash clothes through steam. Special washing programs aim at removing dirt effectively as well as antibacterial treatment of clothes. As practice shows, such home appliance models show better results compared to standard machines. Due to the gaseous state, the liquid penetrates deep into the fibers, which means it cleans better. Wrinkle care. Furthermore, this function is also a favorite of many people. Wrinkle care, which can reduce wrinkles on clothes. This is very important because for those who do not have time constraints and are very busy, the wrinkle care function is very time saving.
Hi, madam. My name is Aglashini Devar, daughter of Mohandas. My matrix number is 274975. Today, I will present about analysis of product and conclusion for the group project. Analysis of product. These are comparison between three brand of washer dryer, which is Toshiba, LG and Elba. Features for Toshiba is design, real inverter, great waves, drying type, sense dry, energy saving, wash capacity 11 kg, dry capacity 7 kg, price Rm 3421 ringgit. Okay, next LG features, which is made more visible display and increase the knob size with a metallic finish. Drying type Eco Hybrid, more energy efficient and less damage. Wash capacity 10.5 kg, dry capacity 7 kg, price Rm 3899 ringgit. Elba features extra large door design, electronic LED display with soft touch panel, wash capacity 10 kg, dry capacity 6 kg, price Rm 2888 ringgit. Conclusion. The challenge of drying clothes during rainy season is one of the issues that most people deal with. Laundry at the laundromat may be expensive and not cost effective for a family with financial difficulties, especially a household with little income. Due to their hectic schedules, working women are only able to wash their laundry on the weekends, which can result in extra loads and make them more exhausted than they would be during the week. The ability to reduce the amount of time it takes to do laundry is useful in our busy lives. Due to issues with drying time frames, a shortage of indoor drying space, unable to perform as many washes as once could during rainy seasons. We must remind family members to only wash clothes that need to be washed right away and not one that have been worn very little. LG brand has models that can clean your clothing in just 39 minutes to meet this need. The greatest washer and dryer combination, the LG FV1450H2B washer dryer has been selected to help to solve the laundry issues. It can be difficult to choose the best washer and dryer combination. In an ideal world, we would like to avoid going broke while also avoiding missing out on useful features. It is a fantastic brand at the cutting edge of cleaning performance, and LG washer and dry models are appropriately made to fit any budget. They may also use dryers to speed up drying by using the intensive dry programs on heavier clothing. such as jeans. The spring and summer are great times of year, but for some people it can lead to get sick and have to stay at home most of the time with a runny nose and itchy eyes due to an allergic reaction. By just tumble drying your clothing, we can get rid of allergens like pollen, dust, and other irritants. The wrinkles are formed during dehydration disappear through the steam process. Even though there are many brands on the market with a lot of similarities, it's crucial to recognize the difference and choose the specification and design that best meet your requirements and preference. LG is beneficial and helpful to solve the issues. Thank you.